Welcome to today's tele-education class. Today we are going to learn functional English. Okay, so see what is coming up on the screen. What you can see on the screen. You can see a toy train in the screen, isn't it? So do you have a toy train? Have you ever played with a toy train? Yes, isn't it, in your childhood? So see, uh, let's try to join these trains. Okay, let's try to join these toy trains. Okay, so see here, the upper one there is a toy train, and there in the lower part there is a train, and in between there is another train. Okay, so now you see we are trying to join these trains. So what happens when we try to join the two things together and we use certain words, joining two sentences together, and that when joining two sentences together, when we use a particular word, that particular word is known as a connector, and it is also known as a conjunction, connector or conjunction. So today's topic of discussion will be conjunctions. So what is conjunctions? Conjunctions is a part of speech, and it is also known as joining words. Have a look at the sentences that is coming up on your screen. In English, connectors are joining words. So what are connectors in English? In parts of speech, what do we say? Connectors. We call connectors as conjunctions, isn't it? So yes, in English, connectors are joining words. When we join two sentences together and make it one sentence, we call it connectors. Okay. Next you see, such words are called conjunctions. They are used to join two or more words and sentences. So what they are used to do? They are used to join two or more words in a sentences. So I'll repeat this once again so that you can get an idea of what is a connector or what is a conjunction. In English, connectors are joining words, and such words are called conjunctions. They are used to join two or more words and sentences. Look at the third sentence very carefully. They are used to join two or more words and sentences. In fact, sometimes we join two sentences, more than two sentences also we can join through a connector. So I hope you have understood what is conjunctions and what is connectors. Connectors are also known as conjunctions, and conjunctions are what? It is a parts of speech. Yes or no? Yeah, very good. Now you see, what do you see on the screen? A girl, she is doing something through her mouth, isn't it? So today's topic of discussion will be what? See, in the screen is highlighted what? It's connection. It's connectors. So today's topic of discussion will be connectors. Okay. So now we have a question for you. So as usual, we'll have one question and you will have four options. So you are to choose a correct answer for the question. Okay. So let's see what the question is. So first of all, I'll try to read out the question. There will be a question on your screen. So I'll try to read out the question, and this question will have four options, and I will give you 30 seconds of time to answer the question. So first, I'll read out the question. Please listen carefully, okay? So look here. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. Dash are used to join two or more words and sentences. Option A, conjunctions. Option B, verbs. Option C, nouns. Option D, interjections. So for answering this question, I will give you 40 seconds time, and within this 40 seconds of time, you are to find the correct answer for this question. Okay? And your time starts now. So all of you, please answer the correct question. Okay? So answer it correctly. So I'll give a quick revision of the question once again. Your question is fill in the blanks with the correct option. The question is dash are used to join two or more words and sentences. So option A is conjunctions, option B is verbs, option C is nouns, option D is interjection. So your time is up, and the correct answer for this option, for this question, is option A, that is conjunctions. I hope all of you have answered the correct answer. Okay, now you see what is coming up on the screen. There's another train coming up on the screen, but this time in the train there are certain words which we can use as a connectors or conjunctions. What we can do, we can use it as a connectors or conjunctions. So let us first have a look at the words. So see here, what are the words? The words, the first word is and. The second word is either or. The third word is but, and the fourth word is neither nor. Okay, so these are the easiest way to remember conjunctions. These are the certain words which we use as conjunctions or connectors. And see, this is written in a train, so it will be easy way for all of you to remember. Okay, so once again I am repeating, what are the conjunctions, what are the words that is used as conjunctions. The first one is and, second one is either or, third one is but, and the fourth one is neither nor. Okay, so let's see. So have a look at this. And equals to add plus. That means when we are to add two things together in a sentences, let's say a sentence is incomplete and we are trying to add it something more to it, then we use the word and. Okay, then either or, when we are to deduct something from the sentence. Let's say we are to deduct certain information from a particular sentence, then we use either or. Or if there is a choice in a sentence, if there is a choice, then we can use either or or. Third one, you see but. So when we use the but as a conjunction, we use but as a conjunction only when there is a condition. So if there is a condition, then we use but. Suppose in a sentence you have started saying something, but you are keeping a condition. So when you are keeping a condition in a sentence, we use the word but. The connector that we use is but. Okay, and the fourth one, that is neither or nor. That means in most of the negative sentences we use neither or nor, and when it is as a choice or when the sentence is negative, what do we use? We use neither or nor. Yes or no? I'm just giving you review of this, how to use this conjunctions, where to use this conjunctions, the usage of this four words, this and, either or, but, neither nor. So these are the four words which we use as connectors. So how we can use this as connectors? So we can see here, the first word is and. So in order to use something in a sentence, let's say we are to add something in a sentence, then what do? We use the word and. So if we are to use something, if we are to deduct something from this sentence, let's say we are to give a choice. We are given a choice, okay? In a positive sentence, if they are given a choice, then we use either or. Okay? So in a question paper also, sometimes a teacher asks like that, either you ask this question, either you answer this question or this question. There is a choice, isn't it? So that time we use the connector or, either or. Then look at the third connector, that is but. So but, when we use the word but, the word but we use when in a sentence, we use it only when there is a what? There is a condition. When there is a condition applied to a particular sentence, at that point of time, what do we use? We use the word but. Okay. And the fourth one, neither or nor. That most of the negative sentences, what do we use? We use neither or nor. Okay. So these are the four words. I hope the concept of using these four connectors, when to use and how to use this, clear to all of you. I hope this much is clear to all of you. Very good. Now you see, we will form sentences. Okay, with these words we'll form sentences. So see here, uh, we are saying two trains coming with the words, isn't it? Here in the screen we are seeing two trains, they are coming with a half incomplete sentence. Okay, two different sentences. John has a pen. This is the first sentence. And the second sentence is John has a book. So what? First one is what? John has a pen. Second sentence is John has a book. Now we are to use connectors. What connectors we'll use? We will use the word and as a connector. Now why will we use and? Why not any other connectors? Because we are joining the sentence. That means John has a pen and also he has a book. Right? So he has two things together, isn't it? So that is why we have picked up this connector called and we will be joining these two sentences. Okay. So John has a pen and what does he has? He has a book. Now this full sentence you see, John has a pen and a book. So what will be the full sentence? John has a pen and a book. So this is how we form sentences using the connectors or conjunctions. Okay. So you have got an idea. So how to join the sentences by using connectors or conjunctions. Yes or no? Yeah. So this is the first example I have given to you. Many more are yet to come. Next you will try. So let's see. Here and is used as a connectors. Now you see, there is another example for you on the screen. See, there is another train. John either has a pen or a book. This is another, sentence, but there is a change in a meaning. So once you change the connectors while joining the two sentences together, if you change the connectors, the meaning of the sentence also changes. Yes or no? So see here, in the second sentence, we have picked up the word either or. Okay, we have picked up the connector either or. Yes or no? So in the first point you see, John either has a pen or a book. So that means he will have among the two, any one among the two. Okay, that means either he will have pen or either he will have book. So John either has a pen or a book, anyone. Okay, we are given a choice here. Whenever we are using either or in a sentence, that time what do we do? Either or is a choice. That means either he can has a pen or he can have a book. Okay, so read the sentence carefully. John either has a pen or a book. Now the full sentence will look like this. John either has a pen or a book. So either or is another connectors that we have picked up. First connector, what did we pick up? We picked up and the second connector that we picked up is either or connecting two sentences together. That is John has a pen, John has a book. So John either has a pen or a book. Is it clear to all of you? Very good. Next you see, now another sentence is coming up on the screen. So we have picked up here another conjunctions or another connectors. And what is that connector? Yeah, that connector is neither nor. So you see here, neither or nor. This is another connector that we are using. So whenever, as I have already told you, whenever we change the connectors in a sentence, that time what happens? The meaning of a sentence also gets changed. So see here, John neither has a pen nor a book. That means the sentence is completely in a negative form. It's not a positive sentence. That means John neither has a pen, he does not have a pen, nor does he have the book. He does not have any of the two among. In the first sentence, in the second sentence, what did we see? In the first sentence, we saw that he has both the things. He has also a pen, he also had a book. In second sentence, what did we see? When we were using either or as a connectors, what did we see? That he can either have a pen or a book. But now, in the third sentence, as we are picking up neither nor as a connector, so what we are seeing, that John neither has a pen nor has a book. Okay, John neither has a pen nor has a book. So see how completely when we are changing the connectors, okay, how the meaning of a particular sentence is getting changed. Yes or no? Yes, very good. So see here, look at the sentence. This sentence is saying John neither has a pen nor a book. So neither and nor. Okay. So first, in the first sentence, what do we see? First sentences, we picked up the connector called and. And when we pick up the connector and, that means John had both pen as well as book. In the second sentence, what did we pick up? We pick up either or. That means he can have anyone between the two. That means either he can have pen or either he can have book. But in the third sentence, when we are using neither or nor, that means what he can, a person can, that means John does not have neither a pen nor a book. That means this sentence is completely in a negative form. Okay. Now you see another sentence coming up on your screen. Now we have picked up another connectors or conjunctions, and that connector or conjunction is but. So let us see how do we join the sentences when we have but as a connector. So have a look at the sentences. John has a pen but not a book. Again I am repeating. John has a pen but not a book. What does John has? John has a pen but not a book. That means he has pen but he does not have book. Yes or no? Yeah. So when along with the changes of the connectors, how the meaning of a sentences changes. So in the first sentence, what did we see? We picked up the connector and what did you see? We saw that John had both pen as well as a book. In the second sentence, what did you see? We picked up the connector either or. That means either he can have a, we picked up, among the two we picked up either or. That means either he can has a pen or either he can have a book. Okay. In the third sentence, we picked up neither nor. That means now John neither has a pen nor does he has a book. Yes or no? Yes. And in the fourth sentence, we picked up but. But means always a condition. So whenever we speak of condition, there is always but in a sentence. Okay. So have a look. John has a pen but not a book. So he has a pen but he don't has a book. Okay. So that is what how the connectors changes the sentence. So have a look at this sentence. John has a pen but not a book. Okay. So I hope you have understood the concept of how to use these connectors, how the usage of particular connectors and conjunctions in a sentences, and how they change. So while you change the connectors or conjunctions in a sentence, the meaning of a sentence also gets changed. Okay. So each connector or each conjunction gives us a different meaning. Okay. So you have understood till here? Okay, great. Now you see today's topic, I guess it will be mentioning here. Yes. So today's topic is connectors. We have already discussed connectors, conjunctions. Okay. So now there is a question for all of you. So there will be question and there will be a 4 options. So among the 4 options, you have to choose the correct answer and I'll be giving you some time to answer it. Okay. So see here on the screen, what do you see? You see a girl, a boy and a man is standing and the sun is shining so bright. isn't it? So see here, what is he saying? Dad, which balloon shall I shoot? So he is asking, he or she is asking his dad that which balloon shall I shoot? He's asking permission, isn't it? Son, shoot the yellow and the red balloon. So what is the dad answering? Son, shoot the yellow and the red balloon. So look at the sentence carefully. In this sentence, what conjunction is used? The conjunction that is used, or the connectors that is used in this sentence is and. Yes, very good. Again, I am repeating the sentence. Son, shoot the yellow and the red balloon. So and here is working as a connectors. Okay. So see here already, if I segregate, if I separate the two sentences, that is shoot the yellow balloon, and I can also write like this, shoot the red balloon. Now when we are combining both the sentences together, how will we speak? We'll be saying, son, shoot the yellow and the red balloon. Okay. Next you see what is coming up. Yellow and red balloon are popping on the screen. Okay, and he is shooting the balloon. Yeah, I did it now. Now another sentence you see. Now shoot the red balloon, but don't touch the yellow one. So see here in this sentence, the conjunctions or the connectors is changed. Previously what they were using? Previously we were using and. That means both red as well as the yellow balloon should be shoot. Now we are using but connectors. What is the dad saying? Look, now shoot the red balloon, but don't touch the yellow one. That means his father is only specifying a particular balloon. That means a red balloon. That means to shoot only one particular balloon, but not to touch the yellow one. Did you get it? Yes. That means a but is used as a connector here. Okay? Very good. Now you see, he has shoot the red balloon, but he has not touched the yellow one. And what did he answer to his father? He answered to his dad as, yes, now I did. Now dad. Yes, now dad. Now you see here another sentence is coming up on the screen. Now shoot the green and blue and the pink balloon. Now you see here, now shoot the green, the blue and the pink balloon. So see here almost three sentences are joined. If I separate the sentences, shoot the green balloon, shoot the blue balloon and shoot the pink balloon. There are three different sentences, right? Yes. So in order to combine the three different sentences, a comma is used as well as a connector is used. Yes or no? Yeah, very good. See here which connector is used? The connector and is used. So now shoot the green and now shoot the green, the blue and the pink balloon. So what here and is the connector? And is a connector, and see here the boy he is shooting the balloon. Okay, so you can see on the screen the boy is shooting the balloon. Oh no, I missed the pink balloon now. So he replied to his father, oh no, I missed the pink balloon now. Okay, now let's see what his father is using, what kind of sentences he is using. Now, shoot either the pink balloon or the yellow one. Here in this particular sentence, what kind of conjunctions or connectors is used? Yes, the connector either or is used. That means to choose any one. That means here the boy or the son, he can choose any of the balloon. Okay, either the pink one or either the yellow one. Yes or no? I am repeating the sentence once again. Now shoot either the pink balloon or the yellow one. That means he has his own choice. Either he can shoot for the pink or the yellow one. Okay, did you understand the difference? Yes, very good. See here either is highlighted and the word or is also highlighted. Now you see what we can see on the screen, pink and yellow balloon, and what is he shooting? He is shooting the pink one. So what did he answer? Dad, I shot the pink balloon. Now which one? So he was choosing, okay? He was choosing between a pink and yellow one, as we picked up the connectors, that is either or, isn't it? Either or we picked up. So which one is he supposed to use? He is supposed to shoot anyone. So what did he reply to his father? He replied, Dad, I shot the pink balloon. Now which one? That means now which one should he choose? Now let's see what his dad replied. Now shoot neither of them. That means his father used the conjunction neither. Neither means no need to shoot anyone, any of the balloon, okay? So have a look, neither here is a conjunctions or the connectors. Okay, dad, now. So to both the balloons, they were going up and he was unable to shoot anyone. So as his father said not to shoot anyone, neither to shoot, neither conjunctions was used, isn't it? So that's why he did not shoot any of the balloons. Now you see, now shoot either blue or yellow. So again you see, again the conjunction either blue or yellow is been given, yes or no? Either blue or yellow. So again I'm giving you the example. Now shoot either blue or yellow balloon. Okay. So have a look at the following sentences. Either shoot, now shoot either blue or yellow balloon. That means here his father is clearly giving him a choice to shoot, giving him a choice either to shoot the blue balloon or to shoot the yellow balloon. Okay. So let's see what he does. Let's see what he does. He shoots the blue balloon. Now let's see. Okay, Dad, I shot the blue balloon now. Okay. So see here. Now again his father is saying, now shoot either blue or yellow balloon. That means again he is given a choice. The conjunction either is used. Remember one point, whenever a conjunction either is used, always either or is used. That means there is a choice between two things. You can choose any one of them, isn't it? So here the boy is given a choice to shoot between either a blue balloon or a yellow balloon. Okay. So what did he choose? He chose. Let's see what did he choose. Now he chose to shot the blue balloon. Okay. So have a look at the, okay. Now what is the boy saying? The boy is saying, yes, I did it. What he was just following his father's advice, isn't it? So your duty is to look at the sentences carefully, what the sentences they are saying. So that is the point. You have to go through the sentences carefully to identify what kind of conjunctions we are speaking about, what kind of connectors we are speaking about. So in the screen, there is a question. So see here now, there is an exercise, okay? Exercise number 1. So what you can see, they are flying in a what? They're in a parachute, right? And in the parachute, you can see the various kinds of, connectors are written, conjunctions are written. So have a look, either or, but, and, neither nor, okay? So here is an exercise for you all. What you can see on the screen, the people, they are here with the bags. So let's see, there are certain fill in the blanks. So you have to fill in the blanks with the correct answer. So they have 4 bags dash 2 books. So what will be the conjunctions you will be using here? Yes, the correct answer for this is they have 4 bags or 2 books. That means or is the connectors that we have used in. Even we can use and. They have 4 bags and 2 books. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is they have 4 bags and 2 books. Okay. Now have a look at the next exercise. They dash have the bags dash the books. Now again you have to choose the connectors from your left hand side. So what will be the suitable one? Neither nor. Is it correct? Neither nor. What will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be either or. Okay. So have a look. They either have the bags or the books. That means they can either have the bag or the book. Okay. Now next you see another exercise coming up on the screen. They dash have the bags dash the books. What will be the correct answer? Will it be either or? No, right? So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is neither nor. They neither have the bags nor the books, isn't it? Yes, they neither have the bags nor the books. So now what you can see on the screen, they neither have the bags nor they have the books, isn't it? These people on the screen, they neither have the books, they neither have the bags, nor they have the bags, nor they have the books. So now again what we can see on the screen, we can see that there is a fish, isn't it? So there are two fishes dash 5 loaves. Okay. So will or be the correct answer? No, right? So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is and. So only two fishes are not there in the basket, right? Along with the two fishes, there are 5 loaves, right? So what we are going to use here? We are going to use here that there are two fishes and 5 loaves. Okay? Did you understand? Okay, great. Next you see what is coming up on the screen. You see here, the next question is, there are two fishes nor two loaves. Is it the correct one? Will nor be the correct one for this exercise? No, right? So what is the correct one? The correct one is but. So here is the condition. So whenever, as I have already said you earlier, whenever we are using the connectors called but, that time what we do? There is a condition in a sentence. So look at the sentence carefully. There are two fishes, but no loaves. Previously there was loaves, isn't it? But now there is no loaves. So there are two fishes, but no loaves. Okay. Another sentence on your screen. There are dash fishes, dash loaves in the basket. Now filling the blanks. Will it be either or? Either or, is it correct? No, right? So let's have a look what is the correct answer. The correct answer is neither nor. There are neither fishes nor loaves in the basket. So in the basket is empty. There is neither fishes or there is no loaves. So what are the conjunctions that we are picking? The correct conjunctions or the correct connectors we are using here is, there are neither fishes nor loaves in the basket. Okay. Next exercise you see, they are having idli dash dosa. They are having idli or dosa. That means is or correct answer? Idli or dosa, is it correct answer for this sentence? No, right? So let's see what's the correct answer. They are having idli and dosa. That means they are having both idli and dosa. Okay. He can dash walk dash run. What is the correct answer? Either or? Is it correct? He can either walk or either run. Is it correct answer? No, right? So have a look. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is neither nor. He can neither walk nor run. Okay? He can neither walk nor run. Next you see another exercise. They have many books dash no pen. So you see what is the correct, will it be or? No, right? Let's see what is the correct answer. The correct answer for this question is, they have books but no pen. So they have books but they don't have pen. So but is the correct connectors used here. Another exercise, they can hear dash, talk dash, cannot see. Now this is a little bit different. They can hear dash. Talk dash cannot see. So what is the correct answer? Is the correct answer or no, right? The correct answer is they can hear and talk but cannot see. That means they can hear and talk but they cannot see from their eyes. Okay. So again I will have a look at the sentences. They can hear and but they can hear and talk but cannot see. So I hope you have understood this entire discussion of what is connectors, what is conjunctions, what are the particular connectors that we are using, that is and, either or, and, either or, then neither nor, but, isn't it? These are the four kind of connectors or conjunctions we are using. So this is all I have explained you how to use the usage of particular connectors, how to join them with the particular sentence with two or more sentences, isn't it? So I hope you have understood till here. The concept of conjunctions is clear to all of you. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Thank you. So what is today's topic of discussion? Today's topic of discussion will be connectors or conjunctions, okay? So what you can see on the screen, we can see two toy trains, right? So now what we'll try to do, let's try to join this train. So do you have toy trains at home? I'm sure you might have played with trains in your childhood, right? So here on the screen, we will try to join two trains together, okay? So let's see how we join them. So we are joining them with another one, okay? There is a blue buggy in the between, and now we will join the two trains together, okay? So this blue part is what? It is a connector, okay? This is what? This is a connector, isn't it? Yes. So in English, connectors are joining words. So what is connectors? The connectors is joining words, right? Yes. So such words are called conjunctions. So connectors are in English, connectors are also known as conjunctions. So what is conjunctions? Conjunctions are parts of speech, isn't it? Yes. So connectors are usually they are what is the work of a connector? It is the work of a connector is to join two or more sentences together. Okay. So you see here the third sentence, it is saying that they are used to join two or more words and sentences together. Okay. So in English, connectors are joining words. Such words are called conjunctions. Connectors are joining words. Such words are called conjunctions. They are used to join two or more words and sentences. So what they are used to do? They are used to join two or more words or sentences. Okay, great. Till here you have understood, right? Yes, very good. Now you see, today's topic of discussion is coming up on the screen. See what the girl is doing? Yes, the topic of today's discussion is connectors, which is also known as conjunctions. I hope you have read about conjunctions in the parts of speech. So now we'll go to the next screen. So see here, uh, now there is a sentence, okay? So what do we do? Uh, Now there is a question in this one. So we will go for we'll see what the question is. So in the question there are four options, right? So I will give you some time to answer the correct answer among this. So first of all, I'll read out the question. Listen to the question carefully, okay? Fill in the blanks with correct option. Dash are words used to join two or more words and sentences. Option A, conjunctions. Option B, verbs. Option C, nouns. Option D, interjections. So I'll give you 20 seconds of time and your time starts now. So you are to choose the correct answer among the four options, okay? So what are the four options? Option A is conjunctions. Option B is verbs. Option C is noun. And option D is interjections. So any guesses what will be the correct answer? So your time is up. The correct answer for this question is option A. Yes, I hope all of you have answered these questions correctly. Now see on the screen what you can see. There is a train coming up with all the connectors. Now these are the words. There are certain words which we use as a connectors. Okay. Now let's see what are the words which we usually use as a connectors. The first word is and. Then the second word is either or. The third one is but. And the fourth one is neither nor. Okay. So these are the four connectors that we use. Okay. Now let us see how to remember the usage. Okay. Easy way to remember the connectors. Now how will you remember? This is an easy way. Okay. So I'll show you the easy way. See here, and, either or, but, and the fourth one is neither nor. So when do we use and? We use and when there is, when we are to give some additional information to a particular sentence. So we have to add something in a sentence, okay? That time we use the word or the connector, and. Then when do we use either or? When there is a choice to choose either this or either that. That means either or is used when there is a choice. Then the third one, that is but. But is used as a connector only when there is a condition in a sentence. So when there is condition in a sentence, what do we use? We use the connector but. Okay. Neither nor is nothing. That means neither nor we use when there is nothing. Okay, when there is no choice. That means neither or nor is used in a sentence when there is no choice. Now let's see what this boy is doing on the screen. So now what do we can see on the screen? That there are two sentences coming up, right? Now let us have a look at two sentences. John has a pen. John has a book. These are two different sentences, right? Now we will pick up one connector among all the four and we will join the sentences. Okay? Am I right? Yes or no? Okay. Now you see, and. John has a pen and a book. John has a pen and a book. So what is the connector we are using here? The connectors that we are using is John has a pen and he has a book. That means what? He has both the things. He has pen as well as a book, right? Okay, very good. Now the sentence looks like this. See on the screen. John has a pen and a book. Now here N is a connector. Okay. Now you see another one. There will be another sentence coming up on the screen. So see here in the train, there is another sentence coming up with either or as a conjunctions. So see here, John either has a pen or a book. So now John has either a pen or a book. That means there is a choice. When we are using either or as a conjunctions, what we use? We make a choice, isn't it? That means John here can have either a book or a pen. Read out the sentence. I'll read out the sentence again. Have a look at the sentence. John either has a pen or a book. Thank you.